Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Rory and today I wanted to share with you guys something a little bit different to what I normally do. As most of you know, my wife Casey and I spent a year travelling around Southeast Asia and we made a ton of videos about that. Obviously, with everything that's going on in the world, we haven't been able to travel, but I've got something really different to share with you today that I think a lot of you might be interested in if you're into taking photos or making travel videos. It is a new camera that I got. Now, I don't normally do tech reviews. I'm certainly not somebody who's going to tell you to go out and buy this particular camera, but I think it's a really important camera for travel videographers as well as people who run videography businesses. Some of you might know I actually run my own videography business called RJ Visuals, where I do mainly wedding films, but also a bit of commercial, promo, real estate type stuff as well. So I'll leave a link to that channel down below, so go check that out if you're interested in seeing that. But yeah, as part of growing that business, we have decided to add another camera to it, and it's a brand new one from Panasonic. Here it is, it's the S5. So, that way around, the S5. So I just got this today. I've just finished unboxing it. So here is what's in the box. So we've got some instructions. So we've got lens hood, (2260) lens. USB cables, power bank, a nice USB-C charger, the battery, strap, and the camera. That is nice. It feels really good. So the reason why I wanted to share this with you guys today is I think this actually might be one of the best travel cameras available right now. It takes really good photos. It comes with this, if you buy it with the kit lens, it comes with a 20 to 60mm kit lens, which is actually, seems to be a lot better than your standard kit lens. So I've had a bit of a play with it outside and it's taken some really good photos, really crisp, really clean, really sharp images. So it's definitely higher quality than your average kit lens. As a travel camera, I think this is going to be amazing. It is small, it's lightweight, it will fit in any bag. It's really well built. It has weather sealing, even this kit lens has got weather sealing on it, so you could safely use it out in the rain. The photos it takes are amazing, but important for me is the video. And the video seems to be really solid. So one of the things I really like about the GH5 is that it can record in 4K 60 or 1080p 60 in 10-bit. One of the reasons why I really like this camera is it does 4K 60 in 10-bit, not in 8-bit. For my workflow, that's actually really important. So when I'm editing weddings, being able to color grade with 10-bit footage is really good. when you consider this is up against things like the Canon EOS R and the Sony a7 III, both of those only film in 8-bit. So it's a really good camera with really good footage. The only thing you're sacrificing compared to something like, say, the Panasonic S1H is you don't have the all-eye codecs, which if you don't know what an all-eye codec means, it's not important to you. If you do know what an all-eye codec means, basically, in my experience, filming between long-op and all-eye codecs, I really don't notice that much of a difference unless there is a lot of movement happening on the screen, in which case you can sometimes get some artifacting with the long-op codec. But generally it is really neither here nor there. Cool guys, so that's I guess just a brief rundown of the S5, which I just got today. What I want to do over the next couple of weeks, I'll make another video shortly that shows just how you can set this up to use it as a workhorse video camera. And I'll also show you how it goes. I've got a wedding next weekend that I'm filming, and I will be filming it with this new camera. So I'll show you how it goes with that and what the footage looks like, and if I run into any issues along the way. But yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. I know it's a little bit different to what I normally do, and those travel videos will come back when we're allowed to travel. But until then, yeah, I'll just find some different things to make videos of. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave that thumbs up. It's really helpful for us, and we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.